In the packaging printing industry, high efficiency and high precision is a difficult choice. Wonder breaks the traditional limitation and brings WDMS250 Hybrid Digital Printing Solution. Multi-pass and single-pass, one machine switching to cover more production scenarios, space-saving and more efficient. The WDMS250 Hybrid Digital Printer integrates both multi-pass and single-pass printing modes. Multi-pass, printheads move back and forth for high-resolution patterns, complex designs, and customized orders. Single pass, material passes through in a single pass with fixed printheads for fast batch printing. This digital printer supports resolutions up to 1200 dpi, output speeds up to 108 m/min single pass. The WDMS250 Hybrid Digital Printer is not only powerful, but also extremely compact. The hybrid platform integrates printhead switch system, auto delivery system, adsorption platform, and ink control system, which occupies a small area and is easy to maintain and reduce the equipment cost. At the application level, the WDMS250-32A++ supports a wide range of packaging materials, including kraft cartons, corrugated board, coated cardboard, and more. Whether it's QR code, barcode, batch number, or mixed arrangement design of graphics, it can be quickly accessed through software control to realize real-time printing of variable data. Let personalization no longer affect the efficiency. Batch can also be accurate presentation. What's more, WDMS250 makes one machine for multiple uses a reality. WDMS250 switches printing modes with one key, which is suitable for e-commerce packaging, personalized logistics signs, commercial labels, food box printing, and other scenarios. For the production line, it saves space and reduces labor. For enterprises, it compresses investment and improves response speed, which is a truly meaningful upgrade of digital printing solutions. The WDMS250 Hybrid Digital Printer is not just an increase in printing speed, it is an evolution in production methods. Multi-pass and single-pass, the flexibility to adapt to each order, so that efficiency and cost together optimized. For more product details, please contact us or book a trial.